The grammar of TOORINI is meaning that in the same way as, or in the way, or as something. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of TOORINI, you can use with the verb and the noun. But when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the dictionary form or casual form only. And after you change the verb to be the dictionary form or casual form past, you follow by TOORINI, right? Which means in the same way as, or in the way, or as something. And the second case, that means you use with the noun. And when you use with the noun, you have the two sounds. The first sound is mean TOORINI. But if you put the no between the noun and the tori, you can say the sound like TOORINI, which means the noun and followed by no, and after that followed by TOORINI. But if you don't put the no between the tori, that means you should change the sound like TOORINI, as you see here. So it just had the same meaning, that in the same way as, or in the way, or as something. So don't be confused, it just had the same meaning, like in the same way as, or in the way, or as something. So the next we are going to see some example to make more understand about how to use the grammar of TOORINI. In here, our first sentence is say, 彼は言われた通りにした。彼は言われた通りにした。Which means that he did as he was told. He did as he was told. Or he did as they were told. Right. That means the first, let's see the grammar. In here, they choose the verb in a dictionary form, right? In here, our verb is iwareta, right? Iwareta is mean that was told, right? And if you use with the verb, you can follow by TOORINI, right? And after the shita, which means he did as they was told, or he was told. In he is here is mean another body, right? But in another body, or you can say he did as they were told. It had the same meaning, because in this case we don't know who told him, right? So you can use the same like this. So what you should remember, that mean TOORINI used with what verb? In here our verb is iwareta, which means in the past tense, so it's okay. Let's see the next. 彼は時間通りにやってきた。彼は時間通りにやってきた。Which means that he arrived on time. He arrived on time. In this sentence, you see that they use with the noun, right? In here, our noun is 時間. 時間 is mean time. So when you use with a noun and you don't put the no between the noun and the tori, so you should change the sound, right? So in here, when you use the tori, you can say 時間通りにやってきた, right? But in the second case, you can put no, right? For example, you can say 時間の通りにやってきた. It had the same meaning that he arrived on time. But you don't want to use the long sentence, so you just say 時間通りにやってきた in this case, which means he arrived on time. The same. Let's see the next example. 店員さんが書いてくれた地図の通りに来た。道に迷った。店員さんが書いてくれた地図の通りに来たが、道に迷った。Which means in English, I follow the map that the employee drew for me, but end up getting lost. I follow the map that the employee drew for me, but end up getting lost. In here, what we should notify that they use the noun, right? In here, our noun is jizu. And after the noun, we have the no, right? And after the no, we follow by TOORINI. So, what you should remember, that means if you put the no between the noun and the TOORI, you can pronunciation the sound TOORI like TOORI. But if you don't have the no, you should change the sound to be DORI. So that means in this sentence you can say jizu dori ni, or you can say as here jizu no dori ni. So here this is the difference between you use no and you don't use no, but it has the same meaning, so no problem. But in this case, they use the verb or the noun jizu, right, and put no between, or followed by no, and after that followed by tori ni. Kita ga michi ni mayotta. Tori is had the meaning that ask what another told or another introduced. So in this case, they say 店員さんが書いてくれた地図の通りにkita ga michi ni mayotta, which means that I follow the map that the employee drew for me, but or however end up getting lost. That means you lost the map even you follow the map that the employee told you, but you still lost, right? So you can say like this in Japanese. The next, じゃあ先生が書く通りに一緒に漢字を書いてください。じゃあ先生が書く通りに一緒に漢字を書いてください。Which means that let's get started. Please write the kanji character together as the teacher drew it. Let's get started. Please write the kanji character together as the teacher draw it. You see that in this sentence, they use the verb with the grammar of tori. In here, our verb is kaku. Kaku is mean writing or draw. Writing, right? Kaku is mean draw. And here is the dictionary form. So what you have to remember, you can use tori with the verb in the dictionary form or in the past tense form only. So in this case, they say kaku is mean the dictionary form. And after you follow the grammar, so after that you follow by tori ni, which means that sensei ga kaku tori ni, which means like as the teacher draw, right? 一緒に漢字を書いてください, which means please write the kanji together as the teacher draw it. じゃあ is mean, in じゃあ in here is mean let's get started, right? じゃあ is mean let's get started. 先生が書く通り which mean as the teacher draw it. 一緒に漢字を書いてください. Please write the kanji together. So when you translate to be English is quite different. But the deep brief, meaning you should know that which one put first and which one put later. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. Arigatou gozaimashita.